Hey Mason, you have the hiccups? You do, don't you?
You talked about being the face of the franchise, being the go-to.
You get the hiccups a lot, huh?
Not to disparage anybody in Pittsburgh.
A lot of hiccups.
I am here.
Multiple times every day.
Videoing this?
Because he had so much early success, let him do
That seems so annoying.
whereas Peterson has been able to
You can get it all the time.
not let him freelance as much as he might have in Pittsburgh. Great question, and I think absolutely. I think what happens when you have a lot of success early is that you are allowed sometimes to do your own thing.
Did you drink too much beer?
And sometimes if you're left to go
Is that what happened?
as a player,
Too much beer.
you